In this video, we're going to see how we can work using other building information modeling projects in ARCHICAD. We're going to see how we can import from Revit into ARCHICAD, how we can use a particular file format which is called IFC, which is used for interoperability between different BIM software or building information modeling software. Now, in the previous video, we talked about how we can go from a CAD into building information modeling in ARCHICAD, and so we talk about interoperability between CAD and building information modeling. And we also saw how we can create worksheets, and our worksheets are useful to create technical drawings, to import images, to like sketch whatever we want in 2D, and then use these references in the actual project in ARCHICAD. So in our plan views or in our elevations and so on. So we're gonna work in this video more with the design tools here, which are the actual elements in building information modeling that we can use in ARCHICAD, but we also see how we can import and manage from other software in IFC. So we need a new file. We're gonna start a new file, and we're not gonna talk more about the 2D drawing here. We're gonna focus more on the building information modeling, but later on we will continue to talk about 2D drawing here of annotations and dimensions, label, and other stuff. So we're gonna just skip that in this video, and also we're gonna talk about other really important commands like the selection, and we're gonna go more into detail with that. So we're gonna see some more advanced features. We saw like the basic features in the first videos of the course, but we're gonna go into more details as we move on in the course. So I'm just gonna save here. I'm just gonna open up a new file and save it as lesson 7. So this is gonna be a brand new file. Let's call this lesson 7, and we're gonna import here our IFC. So first we need to have an IFC. Now, if we were using Revit, we can export in IFC, or you can find on the web a lot of IFC files, or you can use also other software to export in IFC. But essentially what you need is an IFC. Now you can go here in the interoperability section, and you can see this is the IFC logo and format. So this is where you can do like managing operations, like adjust the translator and well, things like that. But if you want to work with IFCs, you can just drag and drop as usual. Now, when you work with Revit, you can also export in DXF or DWG, but again, these are just drawings. These are just AutoCAD files. These are not building information modeling formats. I'm just gonna navigate in my computer here, where I have my Revit files and all the lessons here and for the course. So you can develop a project in Revit, or if you have a client or a colleague or a friend that has worked in Revit, but you want to continue in ARCHICAD or you want to use it in your ARCHICAD project, well, remember to tell them to have or to send you the IFC format. Now, I have prepared here a folder with some IFC file formats, and you can just click and drag. Once you spot it, you can just click and drag it and drop it in your ARCHICAD Canva. Now, you don't need here to specify a worksheet because this is IFC, so it's going to be 3D and BIM and everything, so we don't need to do that. But let's just choose here embedded library, say okay, and I'm just gonna expand this. Now you need to wait because it's gonna merge the file, so it's gonna take some time depending on how big and complex the project is. Now you can work with stories. We're gonna talk about stories later on, which are the levels of our project. Now in this time we're gonna just focus on the ground floor, so the main floor. But you can see here that we only have one here, so all these other stories will be merged, will be created. So you know, you're gonna get everything you can get from the original file. So let's say okay, and let's say continue. Just wait again for a few seconds. There you go. So you can see right away here in the Navigator, we have more stories, we have more views we can use. I can move from a story to the other and see the different plan views, and I can also go in the elevations. You can see that I have, these are grids, so these are to create structural elements, and we're gonna see also how to do that in ARCHICAD later. And these are our levels or stories, and this is a template that you will find in Revit, by the way. So let's go back in the ground floor, and well, nothing it's looking bad. You can see that I can definitely see that the lines here, these are walls, and all the elements, they look fine. So you know, I think this is a good example of how to import Revit in ARCHICAD. And we have trees here, we have different elements. If you select, you can see that these are not simple lines, not simple CADs drawings, but these are actually elements. So this is an opening or a window. You can see here that when I select something that it's an actual BIM element, it's going to give me the information. So this should be walls. There you go. So you have walls here, you have openings, you have like curtain walls, you have this grid line. So if you select, it's going to tell you that this is a grid that you find here in the grid elements in the document. So everything has been recognized. These are stairs. Well, actually, this is recognized as an object. This is like a 3D object. So sometimes, again, don't think that everything will be fine. You need to fix and manage all of this stuff eventually. So you need to know how to do it, and we're gonna see a little bit in this video and also in other videos. This is a car here. It's another object, simple object, and so on. So this is another, I think this is a truck here and a plant. So some of these are pillars. We should have pillars here. Let's move into this other one. So this could be a pillar. There you go. So this is a column or a pillar, and so on. So we can detect all these information. And remember that they come with information, they come with parameters. So everything is stored into this element. This is not a simple 3D object. It's not a simple 2D object. This is something more complex, which is a building information model or building information modeling element, which in Revit it's called family. So in Revit we have families and types. Here also we have like types. So we can define these are like the main categories, and then we have like if you click here, these are like the various types that you can use. So we can see everything fine. We can explore, we can navigate, we can manage the different elements. Now let's talk about the layer settings, because we talk about layers in the previous video talking about AutoCAD, but also here you can see we have custom. Now what happens if I change these, for example, in drafting, which is the standard that we use usually here in ARCHICAD? Well, nothing is there anymore. Why? Because we need to set this up. So I don't have that custom anymore. So this is going to disappear. How can I get back my IFC model? I need to click here and I need to create a new layer combination, just as we did also in the previous video. Let's call this IFC from Revit, just to remind us that this is coming from Revit and it's an IFC file. And this is going to be our new combination. And here, what we want to see is all these, you know, IFC model layers that have been deactivated. So I'm going to click on the little eye icon to make them visible. So I'm going to adjust the visibility. You can also adjust the type here of visualization, and you can lock them if you don't want to work with them